Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DaVinci Resolve presets for faster video editing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download DaVinci Resolve presets for faster video editing, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to your preferred search engine. Type in DaVinci Resolve presets free download and press enter. Browse through the search results to find reputable websites offering presets. Select a website that provides a variety of presets for DaVinci Resolve. Once on the website, look for the section dedicated to presets. Choose the preset pack that suits your editing needs. Click on the download link provided for that preset pack. The file will usually download as a zip or compressed file. Locate the downloaded zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Right-click on the file and select Extract All to decompress it. Choose a destination folder for the extracted files and click Extract. After extraction, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. In DaVinci Resolve, navigate to the FX library. Select Open FX or Color depending on the type of presets you have. Identify the presets section within the chosen category. Click on the Import button or a similar option available. Browse to the folder where you extracted your presets. Select the desired preset files and click Open. The presets will now be imported into DaVinci Resolve. You can now access the new presets from the FX library. Simply drag and drop them onto your video clips to apply. Experiment with different presets to enhance your video editing workflow. Enjoy faster editing with your new DaVinci Resolve presets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.